In today's world, critical thinking is more important than ever. It helps us analyze information, solve problems, and make better decisions. With the help of technology, developing critical thinking skills has become easier and more effective. Educational apps and tools now provide interactive ways to practice logic, reasoning, and problem solving. For example, platforms like Khan Academy and Coursera offer courses that challenge students to think deeply about real-world issues. These tools encourage learners to reflect, question, and explore topics in depth. Mind-mapping software such as XMind or MindMeister helps organize thoughts visually. These tools allow users to break down complex problems into smaller parts, making it easier to understand and analyze each element. This kind of visual thinking supports better planning, decision-making, and creativity. Online debate platforms and discussion forums also play a big role. They allow people to hear different viewpoints, respond thoughtfully, and learn how to defend their ideas with evidence. This strengthens the ability to think critically in real-life situations. Artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT can also support critical thinking by generating multiple perspectives, summarizing complex information, or even playing the role of a debate partner. These tools don't just give answers. They encourage deeper thinking by asking follow-up questions or offering different interpretations. Simulations and virtual labs let learners explore real-life scenarios in a safe environment. Whether it's a business decision-making simulation or a science experiment, these experiences require users to observe, hypothesize, and evaluate outcomes, key parts of the critical thinking process. Even simple tools like spreadsheets can be powerful. Analyzing data using Excel or Google Sheets requires logical thinking and helps users draw conclusions from numbers and trends. Gamification and puzzle-based platforms like brainpower or Lumosity add fun to the learning process. They improve memory, focus, and strategic thinking, all essential parts of critical thinking. The key is not just using technology, but using it with purpose. When students and professionals use digital tools actively, asking questions, testing ideas, and reflecting on results, they develop stronger thinking skills over time. Technology is not a replacement for human thought. Instead, it acts as a partner that enhances the way we learn, reason, and grow intellectually. The right tools used in the right way can help everyone become a better critical thinker.